Alright, so it's December 29th. I've been waiting here for a bus in Brooklyn, New York for, 9:14 now? I've been here since 7:25. Do you notice what I notice? There are no people waiting for this bus other than me. Other than me trying to get to work, like the biggest douche nozzle in the world right now. So let's explore the options I have. Either A, I continue to wait here by myself after everyone left and continue to become, fuck you, honk up your ass, and continue to become a huge fucking meat sickle. B, I can rob a four-wheel drive car and maybe Grand Theft Auto it to work. C, fuck it, there is no C. It's I go home. And I'm leaning towards C right now. Because I'm 10 minutes shy of 2 hours out here. And my balls are frozen, so I'm leaving. And now I get to walk through fucking ice caverns in Brooklyn. I feel like an old man the way I'm walking right now. This is unfucking believable. Look at that, I almost slipped. Fucking man, I hate this shit. And look at these fucking paths they shovel. I gotta walk like a fucking model to get through these paths, like one foot in front of the other. This is fucking shoveling? Are you fucking kidding me? This is what Mayor Bloomberg says isn't really a big deal. This, right here. They had the nerve to say that delays would be like any other day. Yeah, I think Mike needs to get off his throne and come down to the boroughs he's mayor of and check this shit out firsthand instead of relying on fucking data from Gracie Mansion. Thank you. Yeah, it's only me and the fucking mailman out. You see that? Me and the mailman, that's it. Look at this shit in the street, man. And people are driving through this? Out of their minds. I don't even know why the place I work was even open today. Maybe I should go drink 5 Red Bulls. It'll give me fucking wings and I can get there. Alright, more ice, more snow. Alright, I'm done.